Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Hollister student discount codes. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up Hollister student discount code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website, Los Angeles Times, and you're gonna click on it. Once you're on the website, you're gonna see many coupon codes. So for example, the first one is up to 30% off, so you can click on it. And then you're gonna get the coupon code spring20. You can just click copy and then click on visit Hollister, which will take you to their website. There you can choose your products and use this code at checkout to get a 30% discount. Similarly, there'll be many other codes. For example, a 25% reward with $75 purchase. So you can just click view coupon code, and whenever you sign up on their app, it will be automatically sent to you. So now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Alright, next you can head over to this website, Daily Mail, and you're gonna click on it. Once you're on this website, you're gonna see codes as well. So for example, the first one is take 10% off everything with this Hollister student discount. You can click on that, and you don't need a code for this because this is an ongoing sale on the website. So you can directly click go to store, which will take you to their website, and you can go claim a 10% off on Hollister student discount. Similarly, there's another one up to 50% off Hollister sale. So this is another one on the website, so you can directly click go to store and claim it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.